Yeah, this is the moment of truth and natural wisdom. Yeah, dear kakra. Yes, and a bosom not serious no me. Yeah, na on set ye beto ye na no ye beto wo bi atwam no. Nkrofo bi a omomfa wo nku school. Kwatena school mun kusua de be 5 years ana 10 years. Ansa na watimi aye adwuma. Ama o man bia wo mu no anya wo so mfa so. Omu training yema wo training. Se wo nana no wonim dansi a obe kire wo dansi perfect. Obe kire wo blocks ni twa. Omo a wa na bi su dan wo sa time no. Na inipa pedwuma. Ubetwa blocks. Behu si bia besi ahye nema. Se wontumi kura area squad bi na beboa wo. That is how you were trained. Ye nana no. Yena nanom no obi train ama wodi aye adwuma na me pese mema a very simple and hidden truth in plain sight example. On say nei omuko university in Ghana omunkura na nke yiko school 4 years akobo masters akobo doctorate nanka omanya high level of knowledge edi abeboa Ghana but in Ewuko Ghana omuko teacher training college eje allowance students ya omuko teachers training college eje allowance itio omuka as every month ana every term teachers training college eje allowance nurses training college omonso je allowance it yema omusika kakra said ye beya omo gentete omo gi training e de ababa be yadwuma nti saafo na esa ban no ema omusika kakra omonso kwa na omo school fees bo onya den nurses training college and teachers training college for no school fees e university ni bi tua e wo Pentecost University no omuntua mu half kra but Ghana ban assign ema omo allowance to make life easy for teachers and the nurses train and people who are in training schools like KTI any other. They get supplement from our system because it is assumed that they are getting direct on the job training and the citizens of Ghana or the people in Ghana will benefit from them in the very short period of time. Almost school na enye long ekwane nwa me kire wade. Obi a woko university 4 years ono ani tua ne school fees. Utua ne daika, utua bibia, utua na didi at the same time unya allowance bia. Na chese ampeso o mekere say university degree no ehun nche dan hia etise obi a oko training college because ye nyina ye course we wo training college na meme wo meme wo legon ye dondology na yama wo no training teachers allowance ono de na adwemu da ho ntu sua de aba beboa Ghana man no anase obi nso eko ebi akwada so a Greek college na yama na allowance ono no we ba be yikuani abeboa Ghana man nti won yama ne kakra yen support no nku school no obi nso eko nurses training college enkrofo be prepare ombe miemi akuru ni ade nti mama ye mo asafo no na obi a wo ye dondology ndi even though wana okuta higher education level in the university as we have been told but ono no yaba ne man allowance bia it is indirect no mo ka kire say university degree no uko university ne ya kope course wa on the job training na koye enkaso obi ekọ university nso paka oba aga na nso de ekire kobi. What you say? Know your purpose of going to the university because university education system na nkasa no enei ankasa no akwa yes wo say o time is becoming say is waste of time. Eno ani ye board meeting bi omo ho nyina no o de crowd obi wo mkwa wo so obi ye doctor no onya obi hu so ye free obi doctor na wonya medical doctor no omo sere no yeah mamen kasa mo nkyerɛw ubeko university na wie no wo start ye nanka usua ne ama bibre ba ube wie ne specialize o specialize no kra no unhye da nya ho nimde papa nti ubeko school so many years na wie na wa adwen no aba ba ye fia o office bi na wakota na office ya about time ne yama ne doctorate ana masters ana wa gene degree na what office na ne my Ghana so kofom ba wa school ne my Ghana ekofom mo hu se gata ni mo si e wa krapa wati area mo ho but wa about time na ni shoe ten ni shoe no ten wa de ehuru ensuo na toma ateche tata kwanim wa pɛ mo ba bia gu mo ehurihuri etietia mo ba no so kwadwuma environment na destroy emfa no ho enso still okuta ni degree what you say education is ntieta simbi say we are going to education and training fair education and training fair na say if there is a difference between education and there is a difference between training. One go school dana wo fia o papa bi esi dan ya wutime kire o sibi a wo sisi dan while training. What you say? While training. And ubetumi enya education ba na training enka ho eye raw education na unyaye. Nti mene wa I will go for the training straight. Nti na Ghana ye training colleges What you say? Nti wo wie ni training college you know be teacher. Afi also wo college of education. Wo UCC. Akwa kope degree ni keke e de abata ho. Woni ma de kire dada. Ba wo kope degree ni keke na de abata ho. So on concept no. Tumma ye nya smart. Me hu nipa bibiri me na mfo no bibiri kura na me ne wo mo free military nim no. They calculated in America just utna se na wo calculate will be life wa. Sometimes will be a mistake. I then and no have 3 years ago, I say 2 years ago, and no ha. Oh no, see or fly. Oh, ye, and yama be. I'm afraid be most of boys and I'm message your mom. Then a day to me, yes, I near my union within 2 years, semi free military no more 2018. From now, with the infants, I make me free Mukran and come yes, okay, me kusuku and my baby. And think about taking me 4 years to be doing what I'm doing. If I'm actually gonna follow school, seminal now. Ebe take me longer than that. Mimi so na ebia me flying knowledge penny kutame with the whole of 4 years. But you try your system in America, you can skip so many things if you are smart enough to earn your certification is what matters. When in America, Oko University now Oko University class for pilot or aviation maintenance program. Or whatever course, aeronautical course, say Oko University we are. I just a buy a certified and son with me a degree. But with degree, no, it doesn't work. In aviation, your degree in agriculture in America, your degree doesn't put you on the job unless the government officials give you the certificate. Into Ukobo degree we are to baby. But we have certificate from the government. We have certificate from the Department of Transportation. We have certificate from Food and Drug Board. Board be a so or matro. Okobo degree. I was nursing. We am say been so Ghana, sir. I just work cultural board. What you say? Enti subject ya usuya at the end of the day no beti nya board exams. Ama abayano enso certify wono. Na chete sa subject no ekuta training attach ya wode adwuma ba subject ya usua books keke no ukuta degree ne de but onya board exams bia such degree no enhye da nya valuable obi ko medical school we okotro ne board exams na ban na san so na hwe because okwa akoye adwuma yes so no hwe ba obi awie politics onkotro board exams because ono after all day no kwakwakoye. What you say? That is the system we live in now. Memenewa, I will skip long school and go straight to the point and do what I'm supposed to be doing. At someone who the person America, there are boys who say, me who say, be free in the church. Obi on bebu sambia mechi machem. What you say? Brother be saying soon, we are me director. Hey, me de kwa uni be a man me soon, so me director. You can skip. And no meet an area. Near a DB or say, you who say America for who say aviation is turning out to be more computerized. Previously, not a lot of them were powered by hydraulics and or even flight instruments. The crown is becoming more computerized. What is move into computer world? Then we need more electrical engineers and we need more computer scientists to do the job for the aviation industry at a very low cost. And then microphobic transit. Now, when we meeting, who say airline industries, meeting, we say no. So we could 4-year degree from electrical engineering. Now we be a 4-year college degree. No, it's any pakrona 4-year college degree because to be able to do the job of fixing avionics, building aircraft avionics, and calibrating and all that involves a lot. You need to be an electrical engineer and you need to be a computer scientist to do that job. It's gonna take you 8 years to earn that degree in the university. The person who go university. So no. Why are we not? We have to bypass college. Yes, we move school seminar to training. Now we on the job training. If the person is very smart enough to do the job work, mama yan chere say nipa no we are afed ye aban no e was test standard bi o why be test say nipa no ama na ye written test, practicals and orals. Then you will proof say we are competent to do the job no. Then he is satisfactory doing the job no. And then that is when we give him the certificate. When you do your job to satisfy the people, you satisfy yourself, you satisfy the people. That is when you give you a certificate. If you prove to them that you have satisfied or you have you doing your job on one moment is satisfied, you can do the job to serve the people to make them satisfied. Then they also give you a certificate in America here. In America, none of my brother be doing come. I'm a chance. Ghana ni bi timitna Ghana no apply university bi America na ya man admission so me sua de no nkoma sa o mfa degree ni nkoye hwe wo Ghana me na me ka kire o peso o de Ghana ni bi ntna se na wa apply so peso be pilot to America ye mfa no o mbeka sa agese wo ba America agese obi du krum ha kwa akoye physical exams o kwa akoye test e pesi hu bobre kwa akoye interview and sana ya sign off to be able to fly. What you say? Person okoye agriculture, you have to follow the same process. Person okoye nurse, you follow the same concept. Person okoye medical doctor, you follow the same concept in the system. But there are some courses be why omunim say hu here, e ka home university, it keeps the university busy. Inti no e ka ho de. And ultimate na Ghana ne, wo apply e be fa said that America ni bi sua de. But Bruni no one was admission in Sako and Woban Umisuna in Fanco. A book suka na babe can count now Ghana and the amount of syllables now. Think I won't call online and count to me can say books and cabit me. Peso your computer based program bia. Even though you're online, but they will need you at some point to be present so that you can decode and break some things down. Computer cry, sometimes they will need you to look at. Now me catch a ball be say China for are you home? China ni ba American. Or no mess or better America ba she podcast e dia China. Or better America ba okonya ne fie bi si wo China we obi hu so obi nyanim die because America Egypt. Bible no Israel for okra kusunya nim die we Egypt. It's coded in the Bible kusunya nim die for 400 years we Egypt, right? Now nyame pe so obema Israel for powerful Bible mu bo mu kusua nimde we Egypt nti obi dro America ye pe nimde ya honyade ndi anka wotena Ghana resources no bibiri for Africa na ba what you say nti China for ni hu say if you have the brains you have the resources the China ni ba obesua de India for no so program bi e beboa wono no China ni ana India ni no na wa link enam so no wodi kan sua no nim de ekoso mu nti no o ho material ni bi ho wote ase o mo kase mu wa link ni nua bi no wa chirichiri mu akire no na it keeps the chain going ayese bicycle chain na e revolve na eko na omo chireche wo eko ni nyina na bicycle no nso move na ye mienu unim se bicycle ni ntimi nko bia but chain no move ko na bicycle no nso move ko what you say ene ama China for nso move up ene na ama India for ye ka computer number 1 India what you say but ye no obetna America no nya picture bi agu Facebook no ya yesem ni ade masa mama ye ma ye ni na ho what you say mama ye mpenim de suku kro no me catch your error bi mu on say obi kuta degree organ wonya dwumanye Mrs course or obi sua ni university a obi graduate went me antro ho board exams no na chisi training enka ho aho mo ye exam America for exam no omo ye exam out mu say yes before cry be san na wo fo no e ko baby before so be san na me wo fo mama ye me exam bi no inipa be fo no ko ye me interview e wo dem me shedem ho be 5 hours omo busa question how do you decode this meter no decode no I cloud no be tia chiro yeah Mr. There you were talking about clouds can you throw more light on that into no aye conversation you are talking to them as if you are already doing the job you are proving you can do it and then they will sign you off no being so about no so the same thing because before they will even get the government official involved they make sure they square you away to do the on the job interview and then you do your right. The same thing applies to when you were doing the power plant, the engine stuff. And I will be able to how do you overhaul the engine. So many rules and regulations. What manual are you gonna need? You need so many things going on. You talk to them as if you are doing the job. But our system in Ghana, your lecturers be a home bema we book na good team. What the baba no akotro exam no so A and B no atro esi wari. America nyesa na wa. Obetro or written test. We are why practicals. Why practicals na why orals na ba ansana practicals na ba. Obebusa question because bema o chemical bi fisa kwaya de na went me anchirichiri mu ya anchire na so kokose no. Nti obebu ye oral exams ye busa questions. Now if you want to pass and then you move to the next level to do the practicals, then you prove yourself and then they sign you off and they give you your certificate. What you say? In the American work school, you have to do this before you can work. The woman you're smart. Yeah. There are so many computer-based certifications out there as well. That pays a lot. In the aviation for the woman who said no. Aviation is becoming more computerized and we need more electronics to, as compared to previous hydraulics. We have to reduce the weight. We need more electronics and we have to reduce the weight. We need more lighter version of cockpit and all of that. And, you need more computer and electrical engineers, to be on the field, It's going to take 8 years to train one person, Omokati in a short to about 4 months. What you say? Omokati in a short. Well, just where you are the crowd 6 months here. You can do that program. By no soon could any school move. I just saw your wild doing system in my corner natural. When what we are not why you're testing. Where you test you are no macaca your uras, no my practicals, no my sign off near those certificate. And also 3 more than will be a local degree. What you say? See, that is the system we live in. Me share abroad be friends as I will be may share live video be on Facebook because I know be commenting to him and I'm a young boy and I say, yeah, somebody can be young, but as I see no be any need then that is one thing. And any other been so high and can't tell. There are so many things going on in the system that we don't know, but we have to calm down so that we can actually enter into the system. and you have to enjoy. Calm down and study the system. That's why I'm catching the Bible says, "Oh, mom, John, yes, we have to calm down." China ni ba Ghana. China ni every gonza China ni be draw. And you on China ni nintino who or be baby biako China or China ye. What you say? Is Yabro from say, you can fly, you can do. So why are you still doing this? Because mom holding your name who said me a pilot. Then the next question is, then why are you here? And then I start me sit them down and then I take them through exactly what is going on. Then they will like, oh, okay. What you say? And then so at some point some people thought to maybe, this guy maybe he's getting ready to go to Africa and do something. What you say? Because omunim say average African the nko yanya pilot to we akoyekwa mission na airport was say ade metes o tesemia kenu ane se won wodi di nko di ma na wakwadwo oya wo so wokọ na wafre obi so ba na mission hotel na de obelande wa ti mission hotel. What you say? The abrofunu they know our life say average African when they get their nursing in America they are done no more. They don't look into other things. The nursing where we and so your fault. Na stressful life. Na sika sem. Any fear pressure and so can. What yes, and sometime. Am I yes, sir? And that was I'm doing go na catch on there be no me ya o. Me say money 20 million am mfanye say money party money say am catch on say minua. Sa party some be muncha so. You have to sit down and learn how to build. And also, you some be here, dear bear, and will be here, and I mean, Fabi Bremo. What you say? In some one which in ultimate a barrel, echo now the ultimate machine, and your money maybe I see she might beat me a portable and your common boy to know the name. And then it's an I see more dear Christian because in Yamishirano. By in dear a babu abrabum. What you say? Christian need your backer say, Yami into Intimomium Fasa concept in a and on the name of way I see Yamia Shirao. And yes, I would is a care movie to be needed say. When your parties are money but if you teach the boys how to, instead of fishing for me, teach me how to fish. What you say? So many things go in. Tian said, Ubedru Ghana, Ubedru America. Oh, university, no. Oh, when are you coming to school? It's another way of taking your time. Time. To your school fees. They keep the school running with some courses. But the business of the school is to teach you how to do some specific job. Every university be abekono. It has a reason why the university was established. Initially was to solve problems in the society. But as time goes on, the school be a fashion. So with the course be aka ho be ba be no at school fees then momyam pale course no sana na legonte na course be any other say course bebre na ebu ho sa ko mo se nkrofo ba bi tieska ti mo ma smart me I would advise you to focus on on the job. Education is there but any training. Footballers you mbobo ubi ho wa nko school when you're educated, but to be obviously training and who born, which in a while born. So, yeah, Charles Taylor, Uwe University Bay, Charles Quaquas, Sampon, Barnier, Taylor, Uwe School Bay, and so Aquana J. Ball, I think in him sank board and come on with 10 mass, and a calculated ball, maybe I made 2 free kick in Macy. But before school, na mass, it will nip at him that. Before school, na mass, it will nip at him. Intinipelli with me training in home. Even though one temas, but would is come on a winter in Kana? What you say? Obey my energy may be perfect when him dynasty, and then could be here square near the other Yamadana higher level and the spirit level near the other. But, sir, in Ipano, why you Jumanache? What build the experience, and experience is the best teacher. What training? What you say? And internet training is more important than so because you could waste your time on the other. A training is better than that. Into training, Tina Ghana nurses training near more allowance, Kakras or Monfeni, because we score more nurse for Umbema Ghana mine will be prayer. Kwame a David Kobobo park so na okobo wo nche ni na ne mu bu a ya de ne ba na esi ni be mia kru na ma no ba obi a wakako read politics wo de man na wonti mia kru no nti saafo na ese mo allowance na emu mu ti mu yo mo de no matimi akru school aba be yedmo wi nso wa tro ne board so na ese fo biribi on say board ne tro yo mo de Ghana e na ye national standards nti adwuma bi a board ni mu no ko university ahwene yi what you say yeah how be mo ho pull off yes yeah you will say you were talking about the cumulonimbus clouds. How are they formed? Ahana young commodio. Now na wo chirichi ma chere wo mo. Interview, oh, this guy is very then we know being so to question for a conference board before the final board. They prepare you for your friend mock exams. You said you are on an instrument approach, and all of a sudden you got the notification that there is an emergency at the airport. What are you gonna do? And then you give them the procedures. But at the same while you are holding, you realize your engine was falling apart. Something went wrong and you lost your engine. What are you gonna do? You are gonna declare emergency. I will use this, and that. When we didn't come in, there was a young na koko practice the okache or more office. But yeah, that is how American they train you. But we don't have that in Ghana, which is very sad. I saw Okakoje driver's license. Yinim say wa ma money na ho abikum nipa nti obedi kan control written test ansa na obi atena car ni makwa akohwesi bi abesi atwika na nka control written test na na ye license ma ho se afi de obetimi atwika ka nim nipa nke bewu asase so nti uko university na ye ma ho certificate no and say you are qualified to do any job practically I just want me a trouble board to be I'm a board not certified. So you can do it. Course be a ya university be almost frame kwa meka say me maybe you. Almost say I come course to be 546 na me me say ya na me de me maybe you. What you say? Oh. Me say me maybe you. Salati. Ti abusunya phone. Ukuta wa high school certificate to America hankwa na wa evaluate na person o ya de fufura. O frame no nya me kura ja me message. My guidelines. My mama made submit me cry my numbers be our befre. And maybe because I mean say Facebook cry you use Facebook I mean only say every month to be a Facebook meeting. What could Facebook meeting be that? Oh Facebook meeting oh baby. Every month to be a meeting. Oh Facebook a meeting every you will talk about how you're gonna move Facebook forward. And what baby that? Oh Facebook oh na say want to be report to me block me. Oh, your free meeting on Facebook, crowd, okay. And better than Facebook for them with the penny the yampe. Yeah, meeting. Facebook, we meeting every month. What you say? And yeah, maybe because who dear what Adriana done a did near there, they will relax, calm down. Ube dear assassin so. Why am I for my boy? Tibesra Mama University no. To see we are saying urban. If you are able to do the job right from your training and a child how to do the job. Ope so ya konya no I just work home school for years. To be intimi mfa nhye dem 1 month nchira akonya ye. Me pese me build a car. Me pese me build the engineer de ade. Obi betimi de 1 month atena dem a kire me yama me manual. Ene se me university ni ya prekesen ya stressful. Oko anu akwa na wakoye English kakra ade a chen akwa akoye maths kakra na wa adwene nyina bu focus ye maths nko you get used to it ade bi abe continuously for 14 days no it becomes part of your life you get used to doing it what you say but university na and say and na oko class oko maths won ko maths ni bi wa kopum Friday nti de usua na Monday na practically Friday ni mra no na ye busa ho question na wo refi. But senka wo ye maths classes no nko ada bia wa focus on maths nko within 1 month we better concept ni nyina ase aye ho questions ni ade practice. That is what we call you are training yourself. By education mama na flexible onenam o ko ya university unsuya de bia ne mpra wa oba ne mpra fo ye betre aje wa ati o fre obi a of afra rice bra o nso chocolate o nso ba fa yogurt bra na mpra fo ye betre anko suya hwe ne na mo sa we ane ama certificate my example, me so Ghana drivers, Ghana drivers motor vehicle department. Oko na cultural testing yes, so pass integer license. Ese utri car mo hwe because ya na the license ma wa bra wa pass yes am integer license na kwa ya ma degree je license na kwa wa bu degree de twi car. Nke nipa ebe wo Ghana na ba yeso obi tena wo nchen na o make sibi nipa yi twi car yi sibi a wo esi no ya bu san so busa question kakra wo car nim ehun se nipa na kwa no we competent for the job. That is the world we are heading towards right now. Why? Nti mama yenshe sa ne ma no enso me de mo bisi let us be America enso be na phone be na then after I'm talking to them on the phone they know ma calm down. I told them America na name as but who I just when you da ho anso na wo hu yes I wo hu be ko school no na e bi nso hye dem wo the 1 month ya course bi kakra wa training be intensive o man na wo ye job na o make it what you say. That is America that we live in right now. Timoma yenya smart. Why? You need the certificate to show that you are certified. You yourself, you are certified. And you will satisfy the people that you are gonna work for. What do you say? America is now about certification in your university degree. A certification from the various government authorities. A certification from you know this all the boards. We nursing school or how you are. I just want to know how you for board a pass it. Yes, I would degree Ukunyano University of Cincinnati a waste. Uko University of Cincinnati now quite a pilot program or now pass of course when you went to me and check right the new rules near the other why your borders I'm seeing now when your certificate back and free government and even though when your college degree in aviation with a business major, but you cannot do anything with it. What is Obesan ko edwuma McDonald's? Because McDonald's edwuma phone, but people are trying to, edwuma be a serve when nipa no e good. But in the society will be one a preference of job or person way. What is edwuma be a way also pen will be a 20 years and 30 years. Edwuma okwa na ni agye bia. Until we do it our preferences. And then we Africans, we need more technology. That is why I've been recommending technology for people of Africa and the people in Ghana especially. We need to be more technologically inclined because it be software is be a computer is which wow how to be able to control light switches with just your computer and one cable. What you say? Oh, what can say? The world is moving. But you be just stage one wa even when so abrofo kwachiri na say ayesa na maye hopeless but adwen be da yitimu pa adwen no ye smart take akra me person mo ma yam forget about the me so tena Ghana ohun broni bia ono wa say broni beba Ghana ba be research ako what you say ye de ne ya man admission be course be ne masters ube wi masters no so answer abrofo no wi masters ya just so the kwadwuma Ghana. Tena ya man penyimfo no be bo degree wa ha was so san de Africa back in because America degree na obobo no nti degree na hu obeye law no ntimi mfa nyedwuma bi America so san de Africa back to betie na ni kakraka wa ye lawyer metia na mesre what you say you bozi afo be deep is wa ye lawyer we see abrofo no solving the problem directly enya my games intimate mubisia why kakra me person ka kire mo China for no so hu sibi omo ye no omo build niema omo solve problems every time omo ye world omo ye discipline what you say omo ya so ya no asom ne bosom kakra e wo ne dem osom ne bosom asa unkwa bi wa unkwa na dwuma na ne bosom si ho na wo atu bosom atwene gina Jesus o bosom atu na nanom bosom nyina atu agu na Jesus na okwapu hu sofo ne mfa kresin enko fie nkwa hye bosom ne ma saada na oye bie nyina wahye ase efiri ho okọ na ehia o saa kakra bi e ka ho sofo no to agi ni nyina adi eda na sofo no ekọ mu fie ho de matches ne kresin kwa hye bosom ntime no asa abire nka mekɔ me nkotodwe no mu esu agu me nananom so ɔmo mmoa me na bosom bia ɔmo di sie ya me nhunu ye no gold ɔmo di sie dia wo pɛkyira kwan bosom bia ɔmo di asi a wo nhunu no baabi ye sɛ de ye fuo mu de baabi a bosom bia hyɛ ɔmo nso da ɔmo ntiro ne kokotu bosom ne brɛfie na bɛ so ho ade what you say osi abo di betia tie yekoye ibisa ombema abo some bia okra otibi bom question exam dey tough but me ko na more questions no masa mo me nso mbosom o na mo jeja mo ho saa na mo ye yi no mo ma ye nso mbosom wi wa pa ye ho ato wa pensa kakra no mo relax wa do nipa peni me omo am da me sometimes nipa de obi abeka ho asem but me obi oni me bia ni me say me peni pa sempa obi oni me personally bia wa hia me da no oni me say me good obi a wa hia me personally da bia ni me say ensam ye kan fa kwa we see ho abonten ye hunu nso anya sa na tie atiase sa na tie mo obi bonyu bo se me mfa nto so enso e ma na nya ho ene me bi ho a ensimbu a obi ho kan to mu se be kissens intie tie de nkrofo ye enya fe na abedi wonam fofo pictures bi go Facebook achi ama na ma broken heart hwehwe wonam fofo no mu ho na de wo kwani mu empom obi nso hia ma obi ana wo no nyanya direction enne ni nkomo enu de na ekọ obetumi aboa na o ka kire wo nko na abe ya aboa no ade woni ye to adwene ebi ana won so kwa woni mbibi no nso abie so akire wo kakra na won so ideas sharing why yes sharing is caring obi bo no mbisa wo say sharing is caring ti kakra be person ka kire mo I love you all ti degree masa montu so Rollins me the Rollins example Rollins ni degree obo doctorate join Rollins wa mo degree bia atiase ma the Rollins nko example about ti me the wisia why